Installing apps on your YouView Box is straightforward and user-friendly. As of 2025, YouView Boxes feature an integrated app store that makes adding new entertainment options simple and quick. To get started, you'll need your YouView remote control. The first step is to press the YouView button on your remote, which will take you to the main menu interface. Once you press the YouView button, you'll see the main interface. Navigate to the Apps section, which is clearly labeled and easy to find in the main menu. In the Apps section, you'll find applications organized by categories to make browsing easier. These include entertainment, news, sports, kids, and lifestyle categories. To install an app, simply select the one you want and choose Install. The installation process typically completes within a few minutes, and you'll see a progress indicator. Keep in mind a few important requirements. Your YouView Box has storage limitations, typically around 2 to 5 gigabytes allocated for apps. Also, ensure your internet connection meets the requirements: 2 megabits per second minimum for basic apps, and 25 megabits per second or higher for 4K streaming apps. Once installed, your new apps will appear in the main menu or in a dedicated apps section, ready to use. The process is designed to be simple and user-friendly, making it easy to expand your entertainment options on your YouView Box. Managing your YouView apps effectively ensures optimal performance and a personalized viewing experience. There are 3 key areas to focus on: parental controls, storage management, and update management. Parental controls allow you to restrict app installation and usage based on age ratings. You can set up PIN protection and control which apps children can access on your YouView Box. Storage management is crucial since YouView Boxes typically have limited space for apps. You can view app sizes, uninstall unused applications, and optimize storage allocation between apps and recordings. Update management lets you control how and when your apps receive updates. You can enable automatic updates for convenience, or manually control updates for better bandwidth management. When issues arise, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take. The installation success rate is around 94%, but these solutions can help resolve common problems. For installation failures, restart your YouView Box and check your internet connection. For app crashes, clear the app cache through the Settings menu. If you're running out of storage space, uninstall unused apps or reduce recording storage allocation. When clearing app cache, you'll see a confirmation dialog explaining that temporary data will be removed without affecting the app's functionality. This often resolves performance issues and crashes. With these management and troubleshooting techniques, you can maintain an optimal YouView experience. Remember that effective app management is key to getting the most from your YouView Box.